What's up, guys? Your boy WHOTUCKIS here. Today is Sunday and looks like it's about to rain, so hopefully the weather cooperates and doesn't fuck my day up. But anyway, so today wouldn't be possible without Matty Bavarian Builds.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Matty Matt. Woo!
He sent me a box all the way from California with a caliper, a strut mount, the plastics to protect the hardware, and you know, all the necessary stuff with it. And I am very appreciative of you, Matt, because like I said, without you this wouldn't be able to be done today. The way this all happened, Matt saw my story on Instagram and he hit me up. He was like, yo dude, if you need parts, let me know, because I need to get rid of parts and I would like to see them go to a home and actually be used. So I said, fuck yeah dude, I need it, let me take that. I'll take that from you ASAP. And he told me, like, don't even worry about, you know, paying for the parts or anything. The only thing I need you to do is pay for shipping. So I was like, all right, yeah, bet. He boxed it up. He kept sending me pictures and stuff, let me know where the process was, where he was at, and I get it Friday. So he should ship it out Monday, got it Friday, from California to Philadelphia. So yeah, thank you very much. Without this and without you, I wouldn't be able to try to get this car back on the road. Now, if you guys are wondering, you see that I have a caliper in that box. Come here real quick. As you can see, this is what happens when you don't have brake pads in your caliper and you hit the fucking brakes. That's what happens. It basically blows apart. So you're trying to, I guess, figure out how that happened. This happened because when I took off the strut and everything, the rotor came with it, and I basically just took it off in one whole piece. Well, I have a kind of a small driveway. Philadelphia is known to having everything small. Backyards, streets, and everything. So the driveway I have is small. I usually park 2 cars in the driveway. Didn't have enough room, so with that all coming off, I was like, shit, I can't put it back in because the strut mount's broken. But what I can do is something very unsafe and janky, and if OSHA was out here, I'd probably get arrested. I put a jack under there, jacked it up, and basically got in the car, started up, and drove the car up with the jack stand, or the jack underneath of the car. It worked, it got the car up, but being lazy, I guess you can say, or being unsafe or cutting a corner, I managed to fuck my calipers. So, and Matt, thank you very much. I appreciate you. You're the fucking man, dog. So we're gonna try to put this in. It's already I already did this, as you guys can see. Got it all done. I've never had bump stops on my car, so hopefully that's done the right way. If it's not, if it's not, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll Google to make sure that you guys aren't bullshitting me, so I don't have to pull this out again and make another video about this. So anyway, I've never had bump stops in my car. I'm running them today, so yeah, hopefully that's done. So this is done. Gonna now take off the caliper. I'm gonna take the brake line off, put the new one on, and yeah, let's get to business. Excuse the wind. If you guys do hear wind, I'm sorry. You know, I'm eventually going to get a dedicated camera with a dedicated mic, so that, you know, resolution's good and audio's good and stuff. But until then, budget style on my iPhone. So sorry. Anyway, so if you get a caliper from eBay or whatever, sometimes it goes, they come with the actual bracket. This guy right here comes with a bracket, and then the caliper is attached to the bracket. Well, sometimes you don't want to have to take off the bracket on this, your strut, and then put the one you just bought on there, and then take the bolts off and stuff. So what you can do is you get the correct Allen key, which I think this is an 8, I don't know, but when you do this job, you'll know what Allen key it is. Put the Allen key in the bolt, right? And you try to, you realize that you don't got the muscle.
You can do it. Listen to me, you can do it.
So what you want to do is Get it in there like that, use a hammer, right? And there you go.
Had me messed up in the head, I mean. Bought the chick diamonds and pearls, I mean. Should've seen.
WHOTUCKIS quick tips, boy. My bolt's farting over here. I don't know if that was the right way to put that brake line in that caliper, but it felt right to me. Caliper's in. Now, strut. So when you're putting this back in, you know, at least for me, when I put it back in, like that, I need all the assistance I can get because I'm weak. Out, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You want to get the bolt all the way in the back end first. At least that's what I do. Like, I'll try to get the bolt in the back end first, and I won't zip it all the way down, but I'll get it into where I can hand tighten it first, and then I'll zip it just a little bit so that I have guidance or assistance with getting the bolt at the very front end and the bolt closer to the rotor end. Also, it helps if you drop the lower control arm so that you can swing it around and stuff to access this bolt in the back. But yeah, it's not a fun job. I hate doing this. I hate having to replace this and pulling it out and stuff. It's never fun. At least it's never fun for me. I like working on cars, but this I don't like doing. But yeah, I have a video with me, replacing all this stuff. So I'll put that link in the description down below if you want to check that video out. But yeah. So yeah, back bolt first, and then everything else should be a breeze. Alright guys, so the fucking strut is in. Have a new strut mount on it, new caliper on it. There's the old one, old crusty dusty. And this is all thanks to Matty Matt Bavarian Builds. You are the best. But got new hardware, new bolt, new completed strut mount into the strut tower, on the strut. Back in business. I can put a tire on this, get it off a jack stand, and Caitlin was fell there. So it's done. Thank God, dude. This much closer driving, and I can't bleed the brakes today because, as you guys know, I'm a dad, and dads do shit on the weekends, right, Georgie? But yeah. So I'll bleed the brakes next week. That'll be a video next week. And hopefully we're driving next week. Like, comment, subscribe. Give me a big fat thumbs up. Woo! Peace.